Good morning, Eastern View. It's a great day to be a Cyclone. Welcome to our daily news.
Good morning, Cyclones. The following are your pre-recorded announcements for Friday, October 8th, 2021 at Eastern View High School. I'm Lexi.
And I'm Abby. Thank you, Ms. Schultz, for providing translation of this broadcast in American Sign Language. Para obtener una transición completa de esta transmisión en español, visite el sitio web de nuestra escuela.
Today is a B-Day, and we are on an advisory schedule. Before our broadcast begins, let's pause for a moment of silence.
At this time, please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
It's Principal Appreciation Week at Eastern View. Thank you, Dr. Addo, for all that you do for Cyclone Nation.
Don't have time to visit colleges? No worries, Ms. Tate is bringing them to you. Be sure to sign up for college rep visits. If you have any schools you would like to visit, be sure to email Ms. Tate and let her know. Students must register through Naviance to attend the following visits this month. On October 11th, Bridgewater College is in the 11-12 conference room at 10 a.m.
Junior applications are available to apply to be recognized by the Academic Boosters Club. Please go to the EVHS website and look under the Parents and Students tab, where you'll find more information in regards to the club, as well as the application and deadlines. Applications must be turned in by today, October 8th.
Eastern View students, do you want free Chick-fil-A? Do you want to make a difference in your local community? Want to be a part of a national movement across America? Learn to be a great leader while making a real impact through Chick-fil-A Leader Academy. Join over 30,000 students across the country in a leadership program focused on impact through action. Go to app.chickfilaleaderacademy.com/apply to apply now for a spot in Chick-fil-A Leader Academy in your school this year. The kickoff date is changed to Thursday, October 14th from 2:30 to 4:30.
Congratulations to our girls cross country team who won their meet against King George. Go Cyclones!
Congratulations to Ian Larkin for earning first chair trumpet in the 2021 VBODA South Central Senior Regional Orchestra. Ian is now eligible to audition for All Virginia Band at JMU in February. Congratulations to the cross-country team. The boys won by 1 point over Cortland with a score of 27-28. The girls had an amazing perfect score of 15. Evelyn Anderson broke both the course record and the school record by running a 19:31, and 24 of our runners set personal records. Go Cyclones! If you signed up to participate in a pep rally game, please check your email. All students chosen to participate have received an email with instructions and game assignments. Tickets for the homecoming dance held Saturday from 8 to 11 p.m. at CTEC will be on sale during all lunch shifts. Tickets are $15 for a single and $25 for a couple. Do you like environmental science and being outdoors? Join Eastern View's Envirothon team. You will get hands-on field experience in wildlife, aquatics, forestry, and soil science. We meet Mondays after school. Swing by Mrs. Stewart's room 110 to get more information and to sign up for the team.
Wyatt here with announcements from the EV Café. Today, our lunch menu features fish treasures or pizza, carrots and fruit or juice. Tomorrow's breakfast will be cereal and fruit or juice. All students can receive a free breakfast and lunch for this school year. You will need money to purchase snack items. We cannot take money at lunch, so anyone putting money on their account must do so in the mornings, at breakfast, or online at www.myschoolbucks.com. That's all for the morning announcements. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay informed about what's going on at Eastern View. Until next time, take care and make it a great day or not. The choice is yours.